Solve problems using ordered pairs. The table below uses numbers patterns to describe the change in the width and length of a rectangle. Let x be the width and y be the length. Then plot each of the four pairs in the table on the coordinate grid. What do you think the length is if the width is 5? Here we have the table and there are four ordered pairs. I'll plot these four ordered pairs in the coordinates. First here 1 and 11. We said the first coordinate must be on the x-axis. I have to move to the right. Here I will move from here only one step because here is 1. Then I will move up. The second coordinate is y-axis. I will move up. Here 1 and 11. I will move up until I find 11. Then the second coordinate is 2 and 10. With the same way, I will move 2 steps, then 10 steps up. It's 10. Then 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 9 is here. Then 4 and 8. 4. Then up until I find 8, or I can move up 8 steps. Then I can use a line to join all of these points together. Look here, I can join these 3 lines or 4 points using a line. Now, after I finish the line, I will find where the width is 5. We said the horizontal line is x. This is x. This is y. Now I will move until I find 5 here. Then I will move up until I touch the ordered pair. The ordered pair is here, or I touch the line. The line is here. Look to the right to find what? To find the y. The y is 7. Now I know what is the y. Now we can set this. When the width is 5, when the width is 5, is 5, the length is 7. This is the way how to find any missing point, or if you know one of the two coordinates. He said width is 5, the 5 is here, then move up until you touch the line, then look to the right, or only you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means the height here or the length here is 7. Now we'll move to the next one. Write the missing coordinate. Tell what the point represent. Here, this is the missing point here. I will move from the 0 until 5. Then I will move up. Yes, here is 200. Now the ordered pair of this point is 5 and 200. And every time we write x first. Every time. We have to write x first, then y. Here we can set the point is 5 and 200. At 5 seconds, now what it represents what? At 5 seconds, at 5 seconds, the jet car has traveled 200 meters. This is the point, and represents what? We have here time, we have here the distance in meter, the jet car distance. We are talking about the distance every time. If you are driving a car, when the time passing, you cover some meters more or distance more. Here, find the missing coordinate, tell what the point represent. First, the missing coordinate is here. He gave me x and y, and I have to find x and y. I'll move from here It's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Yes, now the first coordinate is 900. Now the second coordinate, I will move until I finish here. It's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. This is the order pair or the missing point. How I can find then? He said right here. This is the titanium and this aluminum. Now I can say when the titanium is 900, the aluminum is what? Aluminum is 800. I will write this. Said when titanium is 900, aluminum is what? Is 800. Syllables. Okay, first find the missing ordered pair, then talk here the titanium is 900, but the aluminum is what? Is 800 syllables. Now with the next one, also find the missing coordinate, tell what the point represents. The missing coordinate is here. We will find the coordinate of this one here. The coordinate is what? Be with me here. How I can find the length first? Look here. I move 2 steps to become 100. Then another 2 steps to become 200 and so on. First I will move 2 steps, now 100. Then second 2 steps, yes, 200. Now the first coordinate is 200. Now I will move up with the same way. Here it's 100, then this small unit here is what? 50, because each step here, each move is 50. We said before this two units is 100, this means each unit is only 50. Now the second coordinate is 150. How I can write representing what here? This is the number of deers, this is the number of elks. Here sites, how many? When I find out here, I can discover. We can sit here when or there are 200 deer. Okay, there are what? There are 150 elk. We have here, this is the number of deer, this is the number of elks. Okay, the question is finished. Now we can stop here and thank you for listening. All of this listeners talking about find the missing point. Thank you.